What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video.
Hey.
And Miss Orlando Underground. And she's here with us today for something very special. Today we have an Tech Deck BMX unboxing. This is the wife's Tech Deck BMX. It's a Colt BMX frame. They started doing Tech Deck BMX bikes a little bit after they started doing Tech Decks back in like the early 2000s, I think. I'm not sure. I don't know the history. I'm not like some huge history buff on Tech Deck
We got
bikes.
this one.
Yeah, they come with a little
I like 'em.
obstacle, I guess, each
Yeah,
one.
I like this one the most. But
yeah,
this one's really cool. The
Yeah,
Sunday one.
they have the trash can, the ledge, the bike
bar.
rack, yeah, and the other like bike rack.
Yeah,
So
from Sunday.
and yeah, it's pretty cool.
We're excited. It's a little bike. I got it for drawing, like learning how to draw bikes and having like a little model for my desk. I wanted something that looked like the BMX bike that Nugget made me, so this was the closest thing I could find. I might customize it, I might not. So I don't know. We'll see.
Alright. Yeah, she's gonna unbox it. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Should I open it from back here? I see it has tape.
Like cut the tape.
Yeah.
And that'll be the easiest way. Are you trying to save the card?
No, not really. Yeah, I'm not trying to save this. You can not worry about it. Let's focus on the bike. Yeah, this is okay.
Oh, I like the handlebars.
Nice. This is so cool.
Like, I got Colt parts on my bike. I have a Colt chain and Colt tires on my BMX. What other, do I have any other Colt parts? No, I don't think I have any other Colt parts. I have a Eastern Ace of Spades frame, if anybody's like wondering, and the wife has a Black Eye frame that I made her, that we painted white with purple accents like ramp pedals and Subrosa grips. Yeah, it looks really good. There's a lot of detail on it. Oh, the pedals actually work to pedal the bike. It's really awesome.
Whoa.
Yeah. But it looks
you can
like
go
really
in
cool,
reverse too.
like 20-inch. Looks like the tire's a little bit off on the back wheel. You want to fix it? You probably just push it back on where it needs to be. That's a little back wheel. Let me see this part. Put it together, see what it looks like.
Yeah, put the obstacle together. This is pretty cool. Wow, I love this. It's so realistic. I like how it turns too and it works like a real bike. That's important to me, that the models have a little bit of functionality, you know? But I love that it's a real model BMX bike.
Oh, it's like a
so
like
cool.
a hubba ledge.
See?
I can use it with my fingerboard. I've been low key using a fingerboard.
Oh, dude, grab one of your fingerboards.
I can't do a trick on carpet with it.
Well, yeah, but just to like, I guess the fingerboards is like this big.
No, you want to show the size, like comparison. Like,
yeah, but it's okay. We can make other videos.
The scale doesn't match, like, because the bike is smaller than like the right scale for the fingerboard. The fingerboard's like huge in comparison because it's like meant for your finger use, so it's like weirdly sized. Oh, baby's having fun. I think she's just secretly wanted it because it's pink.
I want to go like this. I want to go like this.
Like, no, that's what it's for. It's like to do finger tricks and like there's a way to hold it and do tricks. I'm not sure, but
Yeah, I want
there's
to
a
know.
way to do it.
I want to do it.
But maybe she'll start learning how to do fingerboard or finger bike tricks. I
Yeah.
don't know. And alright, guys, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Today was a little fun one. So until next time, I hope you guys find a treasure hunt and stay safe out there. Later.